Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the KCET previous year question paper. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. Now, in this video, we will discuss previous year 2013 question paper, and after that, I will start 2014. I will try to finish all the question paper. Now, the question number 1. Given matrix 1 by root 2 I 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2 minus 1 root 2. So here they ask you to find it is Hermitian or unitary or neither Hermitian or not unitary. So the thing is, you have to note is here for a case of Hermitian, if I consider matrix A is equal to 1 by root 2 I 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2 minus 1 root 2. So when you take the conjugate and its transpose, that is nothing but the dagger we usually call that A is equal to A dagger. So if this equals, then we call this as an Hermitian. Then for the case of unitary matrix, we have studied U dagger is equal to I. We should get an identity matrix. So now let's find the dagger of this matrix. Now first I will take the conjugate 1 by root I minus I by root 2. I becomes plus I by root 2 and minus 1 becomes same. Okay. Now you have to do transpose this. Sorry, this is transpose of matrix. When you transpose this, what it is going to happen? 1 by root 2, this become minus I by root 2. Rows becomes columns, columns becomes rows. Then I by root 2. Then minus 1 by root 2. So we got this matrix is same as that of this matrix. So A is equal to A dagger. This is an Hermitian. So the answer is not yet over. So they have given two options. There is only Hermitian or only unitary, and there is one more option, that is it is Hermitian and unitary. So now we have to find the unitary matrix. Now we will consider this A as U, and we can take A dagger is equal to, you have to get I. So how we can get, like 1 by root 2 I by root 2 minus I by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 minus I by 1 by root I by root 2. This is minus I by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So now you do the multiplication. So you get 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 1 by 2 I by root 2 minus I by root 2, you will get plus 1 by root 2, because minus I into I will be minus 1, because already it is minus 1 is present here. So this become plus. So this is 1 by 2, not 1 by root 2. Next, again 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2, this becomes I by 2. I by root 2 by minus 1 by root 2, this becomes minus I by 2. So this and this get cancelled. Similarly, I by 2 1 by root 2, I by root 2 and 1 by root 2, you'll get I by 2. Sorry, this is minus is there. Then minus of minus plus, this becomes, and plus I by 2. Again this and this get cancelled. And one more thing here, I by 2 minus I, this becomes 1 by 2, and I by minus root 2 I by root 2, this 1 by minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, that become plus 1 by root 2. So you get 1 0 0 1. This is nothing but an identity matrix. So we got A dagger is equal to I. So the given matrix is also unitary matrix. So the correct option is C. Let's go for another question. What is the product of the eigenvalue? Like for finding the product of eigenvalue, you can do it by diagonalization method. Okay, that is also right, but it will take a lot of time. So for solving this, there is one thing you can remember is to find the eigenvalue, it is nothing but a determinant of the matrix. Is equal to product of eigenvalue. There is one more thing. Suppose when I ask you to find the trace of a matrix, just what you have to do, trace. In the previous video I have shown trace. You can find just adding the eigenvalue, addition of eigenvalue, or you can just do the trace is the sum of the diagonal elements. Okay, now we have to find the product of the eigenvalue. So for that we need to find the determinant of the matrix. So how we can find? I will consider this as a alpha 1 0 0 beta 1 and 0 0 gamma. So for this, now we will consider this term, and this term will get remain same, and here I will take as alpha. So now multiply, cross multiply, this becomes beta and gamma. Again, one second. Now I will consider this term and this term. You have seen in 12th class, when you consider this row and this column will be eliminated and this row will be eliminated. Just do cross multiplication. So we will do minus 1 into 0. There is 0 into gamma, 0 into gamma. So that will be 0. Again 0 1 0. Again if you consider this and this, it will become again 0. The answer is alpha, beta and gamma. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. We'll discuss other question in next videos.